Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Hindi team. Happy Diwali to all. Now we are moving to the English session. Today is our 1876th day of continuous webinar. Before beginning the session, we'll have a silent prayer. Thank you, everyone, for joining with us. And today's our guest is Dr. Mashhood. He's a BHMS and diploma in acupuncture, and he has doing research for many years, and now also is continuing his research. He has taken many classes in the IFPH forum, so there is no need of any introduction, even though he worked in Ayush department as a medical officer. Now he completely doing his research, and he is the author of two books. For the last few classes, he shared his research with us. Today also, I'm inviting Dr. Mashhood with happiness. Thank you, Doctor, for sharing your knowledge with us. You are welcome to our forum. You are welcome. Please, you can start now.
Hello.
Sir.
Respected PH members who are all listening me, to everybody, good afternoon, and with prayers, I am starting my class. As our introducer told, this is also a separate experiment. It is not a separate experiment, but it is a part of my experiments. And here also, the particular action of Silesia is emphasized with this class. I am thinking that to say about so much things, but very little is here. My topic is an experimental self-study of some homeo medicines along with the chemical fertilizer and the particular action of Silesia 1. As we all know, this chemical fertilizer is a very apt and very easy one than the organic things. This very small amount is necessary, and also it will yield a very great amount, great extent. But in this case, why I selected this fertilizer? Because when we apply the fertilizer, that gives a very frousness. That is the very easy and speedy growth and yielding everything. But the plant health generally is weak. So why? It is completely observable. We can see that the plant will become so much ill healthy and the lifespan will become very small. For the second generation also, they get some new seeds and the fertilization agriculture is going on. But it is not, the yielding is not only, but the health of the plant is also to be preserved. That is our intention. We use as our we are introducing a new system, new science. I am so much grateful to our Dr. Latif, old principal, and he was the introducer of agro-homeopathy in India, in Kerala. Especially we know in Kerala, so many countries, so many they are teaching and experimental results are shown. But I don't think that nobody new science and approach. This I have no time to say about the old things, but it is only my own experiments and experience I am going to say. See, how I did these experiments in 203. This is 203. That means not 3 year. That year, my objective is experiment is to assess the effectiveness of homeopathic medicines on plants. The second one is to assess the growth rate and other qualities. Please share the next page of plants with a chemical fertilizer and comparative study with the homeo medicines. And materials and methods, the plants 3 week old good and healthy chili plants are collected for my experiment. These 3 3 week old chili plants, then the phosphate fertilizer, that fertilizer which we will get from the fertilizer shop, then washed pure sand, pure washed sand for the basement for cultivating these small chilies. For experimental basis, I used this pure washed sand. Then sugar of milk, a very tiny amount, that is 4 millimeter cube size sugar of milk used for this experiment. Globules number 10, 4 pills. Medicated Silicea vernum number 10 pellets, 4 to 6 in number. Then, as we know, all these boric acid powder, 4 centimeter cube size. Borax 200 medicated pills. Silicea 6x 2 tabs 3 gram. Calimur 6x 2 tabs 3 grams. Natrum 4 6x 2 tabs 3 grams. These are the materials used for this study. The next one, how these small packets were filled, how I did this experiment. This is the procedure. Small packets or plastic packets were filled 2/3 with very fresh washed river sand in order to avoid the impurities and impurities and the other elements. In order to get the pure result, this was done in 13 packets. 13 chili plants of 2-inch size planted and kept it safely. After 1 week, on 5/4/2/4, the experiment started. Sorry, it is 2/4. The plants were identically selected because this much methodically I done it because I have done these experiments several times in 2/3, 2/2, and I have confirmed these results. After that, I thought that these experiments should be recorded in a separate manner, and I printed it out, and I have typed it out and kept it to send some journals. But at that time, it is not. I am not at all not get time or so much mental effort to do that. Doing some other experiments. See a book which explains about the crystals of some plants, and this experiment turned to a direction, a deviation, that some elements applied or some medicines applied and the plant's roots and leaves are studied under microscope. They showed some changes in crystals. So I turned to that part and I have then take a very large amount of time, so I couldn't do other paperworks. And again, this was there. This is a result, and it is an experimentally done, done one, and so recording is very apt and very correct. There is no change. Then small packets are filled, sized pack. This is filled with this pure washed sand, and these cultivation, these plants are placed there. Then how these 2 plants are kept as control, no medicine, only water. Then the other one plant, 2 pellets of phosphate fertilizer dissolved in water and poured to the root of plant and labeled as fertilizer only. That is the 2 pellets of the phosphate with the fertilizer we will get from the fertilizer shop, and that is dissolving one, that is salty one, that is dissolved, and it is placed in water and poured and applied to the root of the plant and labeled as fertilizer only. For other plants, Silesia 1 potency medicated 10 number pellets, 6 in number, the 10 size, 6 in number, dissolved in 3/4 of ounce of water in a 1 ounce bottle, gave 100 succussions, and this water completely poured to the root of the plant and labeled as the Silesia 1. Next one, to one plant 6 pellets of number 10 medicated Silesia 1 and 2 medium-sized pellets of phosphate fertilizer dissolved in 3/4 of 1 ounce water in 1 ounce bottle gave 100 succussions. Here also I gave 100 succussions and applied to the root of the plant labeled as Silesia plus fertilizer. To one plant about a 3 millimeter cube size of sugar of milk and 2 medium-sized pellets of phosphate fertilizer is dissolved in 3/4 water in 1 ounce bottle, succused 100 and applied to the root of plants labeled as SL plus fertilizer. See the next one, 2 to 1 plant, number 10 pills of globules, number 6, dissolved in. That means 6 number of globules, number 10 size, dissolved in 3/4 of water of 1 ounce bottle, gave 100 succussions. Here also. And applied it to the root of the plant labeled as globules only. These are all intentionally done because I have seen so many times, several times, these experiments, and I was intentionally do for this for recording. To one plant, number 10 pills of globules, medium-sized pellets of phosphate fertilizer dissolved in 3/4 water of 1 ounce bottle, gave 100 succussions and applied to the root of plants, labeled as globule for fertilizer. The 8, please, Dr. 8, the page 8. 8. Yes, 6, 7. I'm saying about 8. 8 to 1 plant, about 3 cubic centimeter size boric powder is dissolved in 3/4 water of 1 ounce bottle. Gave acid only. Why this boric acid? You know all this from the medical shop. We will get this boric acid from before 2 or 3 classes. I have told about this boric acid powder have a separate action. This is not my invention or finding. It is not my finding. It is an old textbook I got that the boric acid powder in borax or boron is an essential element for the growth of the plant, especially for the root, for the shoot tip and younger leaves. If it is excess, any element which is excess will show a certain types of symptoms and signs in plants and animals. Again, in deficiency also they show some certain types of signs and symptoms because of their need for the availability is a must. Likewise, this boron is an essential element for plants for their growth, especially the younger leaves. But if it is excess, so much excess, the plant will die within 1 or 2 days. But if it is in a limited but it is excess, that is up to the markings of a particular changes can be produced by, like in our human beings, all plants, all leaves will show this type of excess and deficiency symptoms. Likewise, this boron excess shows a typical moon-like lesion on the old leaves, not the first it appears on the old leaves, the excretion through the old leaves. That old leaves show this half moon type of lesion. That was got from a textbook. After that, I take this as a control and then so many experiments, and I produced before you in several days before. And now also this boric acid powder is, that's why I take this time also, boric acid powder. Then to one plant, number 10 pellets of medicated borax 200 is dissolved in water, 3/4 of ounce, 1 ounce bottle gave 100 succussions and applied it to the root of the plant and labeled as borax, our potency 200 only. There is it also done, it is for some other readings. Gradually I will save it. To other one, plant borax 200 number 10 pellets and 3 millimeter cube size of boric acid powder is mixed, dissolved in 3/4 of water, 1 ounce bottle, gave 100 succussions and applied it to the root of the plant, labeled as borax plus boric acid powder. See, again, these all give response. Plants give response to homeopathic medicines as doing in human beings. As human beings, there is so many resemblances, so many relations. That is what I want to say by this class. That is why particularly the particular actions of Silicea 1. Silicea is selected. Likewise is borax. The Silicium is an assimilatory medicine. That assimilation of the medicine, all other things in the body, like in our plants also. While we are hearing this Silicea, so many persons will think that it is something related to cellulose only, or cell barrier only, or the thickness of the wood, etc. But it is not. Silicea is a general medicine, general substance, which going throughout the organism, something doing to the other, and also it is a stabilizer, I think. That is what I want to emphasize through this experiment. See the other one plant, Silicea 6x also. 2 taps is powdered and dissolved in 3/4 water of 1 ounce bottle, gave 100 succussions and applied it to the root of the plant, labeled as Silicea 6x. To other plant, Kalium muriaticum 6x, 2 taps, powdered and dissolved in 3/4 of water in 1 ounce bottle, gave 100 succussions and applied it to the plant, labeled as Kalimur 6x. See, one more. To one plant, 2 taps of natrum phos 6x powdered in applied to the roots of plant, labeled as natrum phos. In all these things, 100 succussions is an uniformly throughout this experiment I done, because the succussion will give a separate entity to the experiment. That is, that I have seen in other plants, other experiments. That after succussing, if we don't succuss, that solution will not will give the sudden result. But if we succuss, especially the higher potencies, we will get sudden effect. That is why I succussed. See, the result which is at that time, see on that year, this is typed. See, first week, weekly observation is there. Doctor, next, okay. Say the first week, no change. Control plant, about the first control plant, no change. Then it is normal as 1, 3, 4, then 6 and 9. Sorry, 11 are same size. These plants are similar, because control plant and other medicines used plants are all equal and same in the second week also. Then control plant on the first week, healthy, old, new leaves. 2 leaves show side leaves, small whiteness. Week, second week, no side leaf curling, healthy, positive. Then it is growing fast. Now like 2, second plant. Second is fertilizer. Like fertilizer given plant, these control plants are equally healthy and growing. That is, no, it is a normal one. Then the third week, no change. Third week also no change. The control A, no change. Then fourth week, growth 1, 5 and 7 are similar. Control B, the third week, no noticeable change. Then globules are applied to the control. I started my version deviation. That is, the experiment is starting here. The actual experiment is this. That is, I gave additional 10 globules to the second control plant. Then fourth week, all leaves show yellowness except top 2 health positive. This additional 1 week is taken for this globule given plant. That all the leaves becomes yellow, showed the yellow change. That is weak and anemic. Health is double. See the 1 plus. Health is not double plus. Health is reduced. The general health is weakened. That is happened. That is the first one is control. Then fertilizer. Next slide, please, doctor. Next, yes. Then 6 S sulfur plus fertilizer. And 11 is borax 200. Were all similar. These plants are similar in the first week. This is the first week. On the second, this is the fourth week. What happened? The first control is 5 sugar globules and fertilizer plus globules are similar. These plants are all similar. On the fifth week, see, these other plants are also these 4, the Silicium plus fertilizer, control 2, second globules additionally given plants are similar. The control plus globules and the Silicea with fertilizer both are similar growth on the fifth week. But again, we see, now we can see from the observation this fifth week, we will see that Silicea and fertilizer given plant also with the globules with the control plant are similar growth and everything is looking in a very good effort. See the fifth week. Then next, the fertilizer only given plant, what happened? More healthy. First week. This is a first week. Second week, the fertilizer only plant, what happened? Went to east on 22 to 4, Silicea 1 applied. So there is a deviation. The plant become weak. So I gave this Silicea 1. What happens to show this fertilizer? When we fertilizer used plants, when we are using this fertilizer, that will give a very good healthiness. But if it is not an appreciable one, but Silicea again given this plant most grown. The third week it is most grown. On the 28th, that is most grown. This is the plant. This was the plant at that time, the most grown one. Then fourth week, no most grown. It is very healthy and most grown up. See, the third Silicea one only given plants healthy. Third plus it is more healthy. Health second on the second week, globules 5 number 10 applied. Again globules again applied. Third week, all the leaves dead. Only top 2 leaves present. Health negative. On 28, the plant died. What happened? Silicea only given plant after giving this higher potency, then the globules supplied, the plant cannot withstand that sugar and it died. The plant showed, withered and died. But the fertilizer applied the plant after giving seeds the same type of pellets, globules, the plant is more healthy, it was withered at that time, first time, that it was become healthy and very good show. After fertilizer, Silicea vannam marked growth, continued for 4 weeks and become most grown. After fertilizer, Silicea vannam marked growth, continued. Next slide. Okay. Continued for 4 weeks and become most grown. Silicea vannam only applied, then globules applied. After globules, worsened and the plant died. This is what I want to say. Is it Silicea? Is it pure? It is often, it is very certain that it is Silicea. Several times this was observed. You can see, and after my conclusion, I listed a list of the findings. See the next one on the fifth week. Then fourth week. Fourth one is Silicea and fertilizer. What happens? First week healthy and shining, health positive. Then shining present, then health is positive, no insects. All other plants affected by insects. This time, the Silicea, so sugar milk given plants and Silicea 6X, even, but other calimore, everything, all plants affected a small type of insect. But the Silicea and fertilizer used plant doesn't get any infestation of these pests. See the third week good as 12. This is 12 is the plant with fertilizer and Silicea 6X. Little growth present, very little growth, weak alive. Now, why this alive? On the fifth week, the silician fertilizer plant becomes weak, become alive. That is alive. That means it is as usual. It's growing. Then the sugar milk and fertilizer given, health first, then insect present, insect, then health positive on the second week, on leaf white. Silicea one applied to the sugar milk given plant, Silicea one applied, that no findings. Then fifth week also no findings. After Silicea, the sugar milk, after one high potency given, there is no new findings, but it is as such there is there, and the plant is healthy. Silicea fertilizer applied, then Silicea no so much change, it alive but healthy. Sugar milk plus fertilizer applied, then Silicea one no change noticed. See, Silicea plus fertilizer applied, then Silicea one no so much change, it alive but healthy. Sugar milk plus fertilizer applied, then Silicea one no change noticed. Next one is the boric acid. What happened to the boric acid? All plants is the second week, this boric acid plant is healthy. Leaves are healthy. All the leaves are alive, becomes healthy. Then it is a next deviation is borax 200 applied. How? Why? Because the higher potency, to know what is the effect of higher potency. The third week after using this higher potency, no change noticed. See, the fifth week also no noticeable change. Fourth week also no noticeable change. In fifth week, the plant anyway, it is died. It's dead. Here also, several times I confirmed that after higher potency, with this low potency, it is not lower potency. It is boric acid powder. That powder is very effective, but it was very little to show an excessive. But even then, a very great extent, it was healthy and utilized the boron for its growth, and the plant was very healthy. But after using the same potency, same medicine, borax 200, this borax also contains boric acid, small amount of boron. Boric acid was there at that time. Boric acid in my hand, there was nothing. Boric acid also higher potency will get acid, boric acid. But borax 6x and 30 potency I used and got the same lesion, small half moon size in, and I showed in early classes 2 pictures also. That also because of this 30 potency, and I was so much interested in that. Succussion may be the cause I also noticed, and I recorded. Now, this plant is dead because of the boric acid and higher potency. This is also an important one. After this tincture form, or lower, very high lower potency, this is about boric acid, and give that this time, this may be at 2x, maybe 2x. And 200 is applied, the plant gradually grown, but changes noticed. After that, the plant is dead. Then borax 200 only, next one. This first leaf, old, showed dead sign. See, the borax 200 here shown the dead sign, small moon, half moon, in a small lesion. That is why this experiment was noticed. See, the small amount of that is 2x doesn't show. That is why the higher potency chance to get to give this higher potency and the experiment to see for the up to 50. But the second week, seen growth, this as leaf, one shows slight side curling also. This leaf in a small side, it will shows a small curling. That is the growth deficiency. That is the not the wither, not the leaves are completely flown. That is completely grown. Ill health, that is noticed. The third week, borax 200 repeated. Again, only borax 200 repeated. Then no change. Here it is important that for this one, I am done this experiment. That is borax 200 repeated. That is higher potency when repeated, no change, further changes, no change. As in human beings, If we repeat the single same potency higher and higher, same potency repeatedly, it will not do any noticeable change. It is it will continue. Sometimes the first one is carried on, or second one maybe annihilate the first one. Sometimes first dose also even then it is polluted. Likewise here, these borax 200 second dose completely no change at all. Then again borax 200 here, borax 200 only, and there here borax 200 plus second one. This is plus boric acid powder. Later next, that is the second time lower potency is applied, borax here. That is a very small lesion noticed first even, because the higher potency the plant is excited and it is respected and is responsive. At that time the lower potency give, see, very sudden this lesion noticed. Then second one, lesion present in this week, lesion again, lesion is present. Third week, on 19 borax 200 is repeated. First 200 repeated. What happens to the higher potency? This is the fourth week, until no change, no growth. The plant becomes standard, and it is a healthy, it is a positive sign. It is the higher potency here. It worked in a positive manner. See, I am seeing this experiment, that is a low potency 2x boric acid powder, then same medicine, high potency 200 borax 200 becomes worsened and plant died. High potency repeated, borax 200 after again, borax 200, no noticeable change. It favored the plant. Next one, see, Cilicia only 6x plant, 6x Cilicia. What happens? Secondly, the second day of full week on 11/2/04, healthy positive. First, second day of the second full week. This is after a full week, this plant. Again, one thing I want to say that I saw all these chili plants in the packet, and after 1 week, the medicine supplied. And that is the first week, second week, third week, and fifth week. That means the fifth week, the plant is almost grown to 4 or 5 inches. That's only. And some buds also shown some plants. See, no change, no growth noticed on the third week of the Cilicia 6x. Then no change. It was first it was grown in a showed the very small growth, everything, but it is until this fifth week, this plant becomes very standard and shown, very healthy, but it is a very healthy plant, and its growth is retarded as in a certain extent, but no insects here also, and that is the 6x potency. Then Kalimur potency 8th day, all plant weak. This Kalimur is a very separate one, not Cilicia like medicine. 6x. Potassium is an essential element, but kalium muriatic potassium salt is not at all. In my own experiments, it is a separate one. The 8th day, all plant weak, 1 day all yellow, and next day it is complete weak. This plant becomes complete yellow and weak on 8th day. The second week, after this experiment, this second week, that is on the 8th, 12th day onwards, the weakness present, not recovered from dryness, it becomes dry and dryness. Health is very negative, it goes worsens. Then on the third week, this shows general yellow appearance, 26/2/04. Shoot above the first oldest is completely yellow. The shoot above the first cotyledon leaf becomes, this is a blue plant, and also I was to say, it's all blue chilies. The leaves, the shoot is shows a slight blue color. This blue color changed to yellow color. That is the shoot. This Kalimur. Yellow, no growth, Kalimur 200 applied. Then higher potency applied. What happens? See, the fifth week, no color yellow for this week. This 1, 3, color yellow for this week, no change of growth. Color slightly changed, but no growth. Still no growth. This plant is still alive. After I produced this paper to send, and that time also this plant is alive. Now it is by chili plant about a big chili plant about and a half meter high, still flowering and produce fruits. Now the whole plant shows spine-like processes from the tip of the bottom. Only this is an important one when we give these medicines and apply this Kalimur and Silesia and Kali sulfa also shows this spiny processes. That is the hairy appendages are more in plants, especially the chili. Small chili plants we do not naturally very absorbing type of spinning spines or the hairy portions are very less in chili. But here it is very important. Also, there's some chili plants show so much hairy, like that is snowy appearance. That snow appearance I gave this natramur last class. I told you that natramur gave and magnesium phosphate, magnphos 6 gave and come the tuberculinum also. These three plants medicines are effective for this removing of this small type of that is area and this more snowy appearance. That also is type of fungal infection, I think. It is external infection like. That is why this tuberculin affected. So there is still doubt. Again, this it is very important that these plants, these tuberculin is very effective for that type of diseases. Then apple-like fruits are there. These plants, this chili was apple chili, which are ripened to cherry red. This is the mother plant. Mother plant, the cherry plant. This is the cherry red color was the mother plant one. Now every new chili plants only fruits. Yes, this plant is only having fruits now. This last year, last time. See the observation. Sixth potency, Silesia then globules, healthy as control and fertilizer, but after globules, no noticeable change. Silesia then globules are this type. Then sixth potency, then high potency. Kalimur from the beginning weak and after high potency 200. Remarkable changes and then the plant grown to big chili for years. See, after 200 it becomes healthy. This Kalimur revived from its weakness. This also done seen in some other Kalimur plants also. I shown the picture also in the earlier classes. That's Kalimur one plant turned to complete yellow, fully yellow. The plants, the mother plants, also usually gives these red chili plants after ripening, green. Then that is the blue plant, blue chili becomes on ripening, it becomes green, and then it becomes going to red. But here, what happened is the change is not at all becomes red. All chili fruits in that plant becomes only yellow. Spongy fruits, that is sponginess is more noticed. Within the this fruit, there is more spongy, fleshy, but very yielding and good quality fruits are there. And at last, these fruits doesn't becomes fallen off. These fruits doesn't becomes red and with fallen or dried. It becomes gone to a separate type of diseased fungal in affection on the side of this fruit and becomes decayed and dead. All fruits. I was completely covered these plants in order to protect from insects. Even then, it is become with this lesion showed and becomes ill healthy and disintegrating that plant. What happens is the Kalimur, this color is again I gave these higher potencies like some other medicines to revive, and it becomes gone to yellow to the orange, a little bit back. No, to forward. This is yellow, orange, red. This is the order. Blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This is the order of this light colors. And from the red, it gone down to the yellow. Again, after a rain also. After a rain, this notice some other Kalimur given plant also show this type of one. Only this Kalimur, no other plants. Even the magnesium type of plants are maybe shown that is a possibility because of the magnesia is the most important element which is giving the green color of this chlorophyll. Usually, it is a natural one, normal one, normal knowledge. Likewise, this Kalimor, what happens, all experiments, we know these Kali salts are in a red color, in a slightly red color. That is dried building blocks, that color. 200 remarkable changes, and then the plant grown to big chili for years. This plant becomes grown to big chili. See the Kali natrum phos given plant, I gave this last, this natrum phos. Why? Natrum phos is a nutritive one, I think. And that is why I gave this natrum phos plant. Even sometimes it may give this yellowness or yellow change, but it is steady, this message. Now, this black backward showing is happened with the natrum phos 6,6. I gave this succussion 100. That may be the result. That is another one. Here also the natrum phos 6 I gave. That is why I gave all these throughout this experiment these 100 succussions. Sugar milk also even. But sugar milk doesn't give any such experiments. No results. Sugar milk only. These globules also separated, showed it its own type of findings. Then first week, these natrum phos leaves complete week. Second week also yellow white color all plant possessing. Then health is positive, just positive. That means it is alive. Then third week healthy but no growth. Now so I gave an deviation. See the Kali phos. Why? Kali phos is it's a natural food product of these plants. Potassium phosphate. That's why 100, 200 potency I gave an experimental. One drop. Here I gave this plant to one drop. Then fourth week showed fast growth. After that I gave, if a plant is going to die, I suddenly gave this Kali phos 200 and sulfur, sometimes calcarea also. See why these medicines is selected. If you the second second this conclusion, second page, next page, doctor, next page. Hello, it's my conclusion. Why I gave these plants calcarea and silicea, everything selected, phosphorus selected. This calcium is a calcarea carb and phosphorus are follow. Calcarea carb is followed by phosphorus. Then phosphorus is also followed by calcarea carb. Silicea is followed by calcarea carb. Calcarea carb, see the silicea and calcarea carb are silicea and calcarea also follows the silicea. Again, phosphorus then phosphorus is followed by calcarea. Antidote also. Calcarea is the antidote of phosphorus also. That is why phosphorus and calcarea relation. Then silicea, calcarea carb is a complement. You can see from the boric, calcarea carb is the complement. Then calcarea follows the silicea also. Once again, I can say this calcarea follows silicea. Then silicea follows calcarea. Then also complementary. Calcarea follows and it is a complementary also. Calcarea is the complement of silicea. Then phosphorus follows calcarea and it antidotes calcarea, phosphorus. This is the relation we can see. See, these are important. Silicea and phosphorus are also complementary. In boric textbook we can see in the literature. Not on the back side there is a list of medicines. There it is not present and it is not seen. But in the literature you can see this calcarea, sorry, the silicea and phosphorus are complementary. That is everybody know. But in that list it is not. That's why I mentioned. See the conclusion. Why this silicea applied plant shows dark green leaves become so healthy. This is a very confirmatory one. I want to say to all of you these things. This is the everybody can see this by doing these experiments, not simply hearing, because these are all very important statistically and very readily. I am giving all these things to you, and I am confirmed, but you also do and do you confirm these things. Then only it is important. Then self-study, I am doing these experiments and I am telling you the truth is truth, or it is following in several in any condition, or but the medicine must be very good. That is important. That we will be very much certain. But the experimental study, several ways we can adopt, several methods we can say do, and can be confirmed. See, the further application of globules, that is placebo, increases the action of silicea potency. That is an experimental conclusion that I observed. Then again, silicea with the chemical fertilizer used to plant showed protected from insects. Well, not only silicea only, but with the fertilizer. That means a good nourishment. The changes in growth, like suddenness in increase of size of leaves, ill-healthy shoot growth, etc., are seen to be reduced. These are all the results of the fertilizer used, chemical fertilizer. That is seen to be reduced and general health look of the plant seem to be preserved, along with the good growth and green coloration, leaf texture, etc. remain preserved. This is the other finding of silicea. The next one I want to say is repetition, about the repetition. After potency, if repeat the same potency, see, after potency, in a considerable short period. In a considerable short period, there may be certain changes may be there, but after a considerable short period, it will not do any noticeable changes. That is what. After potency, if placebo or sugar globule supplies, the remarkable change of the potency can be seen accelerated. After potency, if placebo or sugar globules. But if it is reversed, in reverse, if the placebo first, if we give some globules or sugar in the root of a plant and after that we give some same potency with these globules, not drink drops, no, doctor, it is not the slide. Before. See, before and before. Yes, next before one. See, if the placebo first and secondly applying the potency, there is no noticeable change of the potency is observed. First, if you give a test dose in the plant, it should be the medicine. Then only you give this placebo. Then it will affect. But first we give this smoking, the plant will remember that it is nothing, this sugar, and it cannot respond. It cannot that is sense. That is I what very several times. Even in this 30 potency also, it will not sense because the sugar. Sugar is also a very important factor for a growing plant, regarding a plant, because the sugar give a slight acceleration for the growth. Sugar, cane sugar. That is why this plant will be forgotten, will not response, give attention to the globules when medicated even after we give. It will not be noticeable change. Give. Next slide. Silicea is a stabilizer. That stabilizes, that is continuous. It carries on. It's neutral. It is And correct word is assimilation. There is no other medicine, I think, that given in Materia Medica, that is assimilation of medicine, assimilation, Silesia. These plants also. What is Silesia? Silica is the most important, abundant element of the earth. And even that, this Silesia is in a potency. We know what it is, Silesia, the medicine, and that is the surgeon's knife. So much specific medicine. It ends and acts on the specific site at once. Certainly, we can see the things which are externally when it is when there is anything on our body, the silica molecules surrounds. Exactly, there is a silica molecule surround or no? I don't know. We have to examine the animal and examine that the silica molecules or the crystals. And stabilizes and it restores the health and is not promoting or destroying the growth of general health. Here the promotion also it is controlled. I think that sometimes some persons will say about getting Silesia, the plant is growing so much. Yes, first there sometimes it may be an oily appearance of the skin of the leaf and a little growth. Because there is, if it is, there is a present good nourished plant, it show very great healthy because it is medicine. Destroying also, it is not destroying. And the general health means a plant which gives Silesia will retain there for more than 2 years than its general lifespan. You can see you repeatedly give Silesia to a plant, it will not do any change, nothing. Afterwards, it will stay there. Even the smallest leaf or the oldest leaf also will be preserved. No senescence. Senescence means the changes of a thing, of a living creature during the life. That is leaf shedding, that is flowers, then fruits, everything. These are the type of senescence changes, aging. Oh, nothing will happen. It will be there. For it is busy. It is because of then I thought it is in the first times I thought this may be due to the cellulose change. Then repeating the substance in higher potency increases the action and becomes worsens the health of the plant. Never give higher potencies. Then in addition there is see one thing I next slide, doctor. See it is a separate one next slide. For a chili plant applied Silesia after a week again Pulsatilla 30 applied. See the relation, see. Becomes more lively and grown fast after 3 weeks. The stem grown elongated and after some weeks the plant becomes small tree. With the chilies, the chili blossoms a little late than other chili plants, but even now it is having fruits. A small stunted chili in the farm for about 1 year after potassium and phosphate seen no improvement, then see no improvement, then Silesia one given this wonderful growth and look like a new plant. All the leaves from the first preserved. This is also another one. This second one, there is Silesia one, this phosphate here most affected. That's why after Silesia, this plant becomes very great. That is the healthy appearance. That is what I told you that this is the restraining. That is the restrainer. This is a continuously carrying over Silesia. There is another one. See in the next page. Next page, doctor, please. Is Calcarea previously grown very old plants. These are half month back. The medicines are given half month back. That is 15 days before. There is on 205. This experiment done. Calcarea 2, Calcarea 1 month, 200. Then observation complete to 1 month, then complete then after 2 weeks, about 11 or 9 days. Next, Silesia, given plant gives phosphorus. This phosphorus after it maybe it's a complementary. Again, the Silesia accelerated the plant and plant cannot withstand the medicine and complete death. Next slide. Next slide, please, Doctor. Calcarea given plant, given sugar milk, sugar, not sugar globules. There also the plant cannot be complete that. Calcarea to give phosphorus. Phosphorus are complementary to the plants. This is good looking. This plant becomes very good looking. Phosphorus. Silicea sugar also the plant will become not good. Sorry, good looking. Silicea, then sugar. Half month back is good looking. These are the some additional points that I want to share. The very good help. Macphosone, complete yellow parts that. Here, what I want to say is that if time is there, I want to say, see this Macphos, once I got this Macphos, leaf with a completely circled area becomes dead, decayed. Naturally, it is an insect or some other things due to fungal infection. A very good in a, I think in a this lady's finger, okra leaf in the center. There is a lesion, notice, because of the insect or some other things, injury, everything. But it is unnaturally. Naturally, a plant when long leaf is decayed, there will not be reunion. Okay, but anyway, I don't know. I gave these plants actually to know something. At that time, I don't know about this Macphos, but about know this magnesium only. Not doing this Macphos 6 dried 2 pellets and gave this plant. This lesion completely cured, and the area become completely. At that time, also I had only this big camera only, a small camera. That I know mobile camera, everything to take these pictures. But that picture was also lost. There were so many pictures in the slide. What is on the old? Now it is not easy to wash it off. Now, no, this photography washing is there now, even now. And now all have digital cameras. So at that time, so many films are there. But there is nothing good. They wash and say that these all are completely about things. Also, I can't get that one. That was an important one. Even now, I am trying several times. Is this another?
We have only 2 minutes.
You can see, and it is very important one, that is Macphos success completely. This is also done in 2.05. Today, I think that it is to stop now. I think that to give something to you now, and it is to my knowledge, it is completely true, and we study and understand these things. Try to do give confirmation again to me, and it is better. It is my prayer. Okay, thank you to all.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much. Dr. Manoj, you are the host now, okay? And thank you so much. You are sharing all your experiments and knowledge with us. Actually, this is very rare knowledge to us because you are the only one in this forum sharing such kind of researchers. Thank you so much on behalf of IFPS. Now we are moving to the Malayalam session. Thank you, Dr. Mashhood, and thank you all the participants for being with us. And now I am inviting Dr. Mariamma John for moderating Malayalam session. You are welcome.
നന്ദി അജിനി ഡോക്ടറെ. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.